Hey guys, so as you can probably tell, not in Utah anymore. Um, we are currently staying with some friends in Golden, Colorado. Well, actually, we've moved in Golden, Colorado. I've moved. Reed is coming. Um, but yeah, this is going to be our new home, our new spot for a tiny home. So I haven't been able to do much because the tiny home is still in Utah with Reed. But today, got a couple projects going on. The first one I want to show you, putting together a cat cage, an outdoor cat pen. Yes, that is a real thing. Because Snickers, when we move here, it's going to be pretty difficult to keep him inside all the time while we finish up construction. So, found on Amazon this pretty crazy cat enclosure. I'll put a link to it on the site. But currently trying to put this thing together. It's all just by hand. There's some screws and panels, and yeah, it's basically wood with chicken mesh over it, which we easily could have made by ourselves, but really just don't have the time. So we decided to buy one of these kits and put this together. So trying to get this done and ready for Snickers to live in when he gets here with Reed. So yeah, I will show you guys how this looks. I've just gotten started, and then hopefully do a little time lapse and get this thing up and running. Basically, I kind of just deconstructed everything, took everything out of the boxes. I have a bunch of these wood panels with mesh of various shapes and sizes. Most all of them have these little stickers which correspond to the instructions, but some of them don't, so just kind of trying to figure it out as I go along from the instructions. Have some little shelves that will go on the side for Snickers to hang out on, and a roof, which is made of this basically roofing tile to keep it waterproof. So I've just gotten started laying out the first couple panels, and basically they're just held together by some screws that have some pre-drilled holes, and just using a hand screwdriver to put those together. Some clamps would be really nice to hold the panels together while I'm trying to screw them in, but I don't have that. Reed does everything, so just using my hands and hoping my climbing strength is enough to make this work. So yeah, just got started screwing a couple of these together, but I will try to time lapse the rest of this for you guys and hopefully get this thing put together. Alright, so it's been a couple hours, and I had to make a run into town, to pick up some extra hardware, and, but yeah, I'd say this was relatively a success. Here's our little cat condo. Got a nice little all-weather rug, it's not scratching around in the dirt, which you probably wouldn't mind, but, yeah, coming inside, there's this sweet little door with some latches, so it's actually, I mean, it's small, but we can tuck inside it, and some shelves for him to sit on both sides. It wasn't too bad of an install. I was missing a couple screws. I might have lost them, or it didn't come with them, and one of the pieces was kind of wonky. Doesn't really line up, and I thought that was because of me, but I tried it several different ways, and in order to make the roof square, which it is, the bottom just like doesn't fit, but whatever. Probably gonna try to stake it out or something to make sure it's secure, but in general, cool little feature. Really good option for those of you interested in tiny home life but have a pet. Give them some little extra space. Yeah, so all ready to go when the kitten arrives.